Greetings, Well Diva. Welcome to another episode of Peace Practice. Today is day 13, and we're talking about breath work today. Your breathing and how deeply you're breathing and how therapeutic deep breathing can be. There's so many different breathwork techniques. I'm not sure if you're familiar, if you've tried them. I know I've certainly tried a few. And so today I'm going to share one with you that I've learned about, and it is for relaxation, for calming the mind, and bringing yourself more peace. And this technique is called ujjayi. Okay, and it involves really deep breathing through the throat, but you're only going to breathe in and out of your nose. So there's no mouth breathing this time, okay? So the way it goes, and we're going to do a 3-minute breath work practice, okay? So hopefully you have a few minutes. Usually these are like 5 to 7 minute videos, so you should be prepared for that, right? Okay, the way this one goes is you're going to, first I'm going to show you how to do the exhale, then I'll show you how to do the inhale. So the exhale, the way you know you're doing it right, it's almost like you're breathing and you're asleep, like you're in a deep sleep, almost snoring, that type of breathing. And the way to know you're doing it right, it's called fog the mirror. So let's just pretend you have a mirror here and you want to fog it with your breath. You would go, okay. Right? That's how you get that mirror to fog up. Alrighty. Now let's try it with the mouth closed. Still that throaty, heavy breath. Okay, so that's how you know you're doing the exhale right. And now the inhale is almost like you're being startled, like you're gasping for breath. When you do that, you get that coolness in the back of the throat. So try it with me. Got it? One more time. All right, now let's do it with the mouth closed. Okay, I make that noise. You may or may not make that noise, but that way I know I'm doing it right. So it's or, and then or. Okay, so let's just try one time with the mouth closed. Okay, one more time. Okay, so let's try it for 3 minutes. I'm gonna set my timer and we can start with an inhale. I know I did it backwards just to demonstrate. I'm gonna set the timer for 3 minutes and we're going to start with an inhale and let's go. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And continue on. You can close your eyes if you like. And go at whatever pace you like. You don't have to stick with my pace. Just make sure you're relaxed and focused on your breathing. If you find that your mind wanders away, just bring your mind right back to your breathing. If you find your mind wanders away again, bring it right back to your breathing. Focus on the way your breathing feels and the way it sounds. You have less than a minute to go. Inhale with surprise and exhale, fogging the mirror. And begin to bring your focus back to your surroundings. And slowly open your eyes and return to the room. How was that for you? I hope that was relaxing, calming to your mind, and helping you to just let go of any stress or confusion or chaos that was going through your mind before we started this exercise. You can also do this at bedtime because it's really good to help you unwind, relax, clear your mind, and get ready for bed, okay? Now, tomorrow, I'm going to do a movement, a stretch and movement exercise with you. So I just wanted to give you a heads up so that you'll know to have your yoga mat ready so that you can follow along with me tomorrow. Okay, so let me know how that was for you today. You can leave any comments. If you've done other types of breath work, feel free to share that in the comments with me and our other followers who may read along and learn something from you as well, okay? All right, that's it for today, and I will see you tomorrow for day 14, oh my goodness, of 21 Days of Peace. Have a great rest of the day.